All right, you can go. Why won't you kiss me? Come here. Say, give me a kiss.
No.
Why? Because why? Look at me and tell me why.
Raj, give mommy a kiss.
What? I have what?
That stinky smell.
Look at me. Where's my stinky smell? Oh, one kiss, please. I'll hold my breath. I'll hold my breath. Ready? Was that so bad?
No.
Can I have another kiss?
What?
Give me a kiss.